Hello everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a post slider like this to your blogger website. So as you can see, I have selected the marketing category to display the post on this slider, and you can see it is looking quite good. And if you check, it is fully responsive. So let me switch to mobile view, and this is how it looks on mobile, and it will auto scroll the slider, or you can click on this button and slide the post slider here. Now let's check the tablet view as well, and this is how it looks on tablet. So you will see two posts at a time on tablet, one post at a time on mobile, and three posts at a time on desktop. And before we start the video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And let's get started. So to add the post slider, we need to go to the blogger dashboard, and here just go to layout section, and you need to find a position where you need to add the post slider. So I want to add the post slider just before this popular post. So this is the popular post widget, and I want to display it just before that. So what I can do is I need to create another widget section on this. So for this I need to enable the options. So let's go to theme and click on edit HTML, and let me click on here. Let me select the popular post, and here we have a section like this feature, and we have the maximum widget set to 1. Let me change that to 3, and make sure that show add element is set to yes. If it is set to no, then change that to yes, and let's hit save. Now let me go back and let's go to layout. Now as you can see, we have a add a gadget option is now showing, so I can add more gadgets on this place. I need to select HTML/JavaScript, and here you need to copy a code. So I will include the code link in the description. Just copy that and paste it here, and as you can see, we have the JavaScript. Just scroll off, and here in the beginning of the script you need to add your blog URL. So as you can see, this is my blog URL, and then you need to select your label. So currently I am selecting the marketing label. So if you go to your label, then you can just copy your label like this, and you can replace it here. Now you can display the number of posts. So currently I set this to 3. On desktop I set it to 3, tablet 2, and mobile is 1. And you can control the auto play speed as well, animation speed, and you can also display category or not, and you can also display the dots, arrows, read time. So let me hit save first, and as you can see, now the post slider is showing like this. Now it will also auto scroll the slider after specified time, and you can also hide these category buttons. You can hide the read time. So you can control everything from this script. Just click on HTML and scroll down to the JavaScript section. So this is the script tag, and here you can control all these, whether you want to display the category. Let me set it to false, and you can also hide the dots from here if you want. Just change that to false. All right, now hit save, and let me refresh it. And as you can see, the dots are gone and the category option is now gone. Similarly, you can control all other aspect of the slider, like you can change the color. So you can change the radius, you can change the primary color, you can change the background color, arrow color. So you have all these options. So I will include the code link in the description and use it on your website, and let me know if it is working for you or not. And if you are facing any issue, then you can comment down below, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.